Well, today is day 5 of my first cycle of chemotherapy treatment. I'm actually standing out here early this morning, hooked up, got my chemo bag on, pumps going into the chest. I wanted to do these updates daily, as the last video I recorded about my chemo was last Sunday before we started. But I kind of just wanted to take a weekend, maybe going through the next 5 cycles, I can give like an update as we go along. But I think I've been pretty lucky. Haven't had any real bad side effects or anything really. They're pumping me full of steroids in the morning and the evening, along with the 24-hour drip of chemotherapy. So I think that kind of helps, at least from what I've been reading and what they've been saying. But yeah, everything this week has been good. So I go in here today at noon. They'll take the pump off of me for the next 2 weeks. I do have a drip of another medicine today. Probably be about an hour on that. And from everything I know, my side effects will probably start kicking in tomorrow, as the steroids only go through treatment days. So I'm off the next 2 weeks from treatment. That will complete cycle 1, and then we go into cycle 2 on that following week, so in about 3 weeks. Doing 6 total cycles. After the 3rd cycle, we're going to go in, do another PET scan to hopefully see if everything's starting to break down, which, keeping my fingers crossed, it is. Haven't really heard much on that since we've started doing blood tests today, so hopefully that comes back positive too. I do have some plans, and this is not just a cancer update, but kind of a shop update. I think this weekend gonna do some probably not some wood turning, but the place is a mess out here. I need it clean for my health, just be able to do stuff. You know, we do have projects waiting. I've got some things I need to complete. Picked up some new tech, so hopefully we can try some new fun things out. It's just going to be a fun learning process. I want to do updates on my health, as well as like build stuff on this channel, and just really have fun, keep you guys updated. I just really want this conversation to continue between me and the community. You know, if there's anything I could do to help you guys out, or vice versa, just let me know. But yeah, I just want to update with how everything's going. I did a preemptive haircut, so I just went a little bit shorter. So you might start noticing over the next few videos me losing hair. So I just kind of wanted to cut it down so I wasn't losing long hair. That should, from what I've been told, might start happening next week. So it'll be interesting documenting my hair journey, because I haven't had a beard. Well, I've had a beard since about 2006. So needless to say, none of my current family, my wife, my kids, have never seen me without a beard. So it might be very fun and interesting if I'm bald and have no beard. So we'll see what they do with that. I'm sure the dog will have a fun time with it also. Yeah, other than that, thanks for watching. I'm going to keep these updates short on my health, unless there's something dramatically that changes. We'll get some longer form videos in between of, you know, cleaning up the shop, organizing, maybe doing some small projects here and there. But yeah, other than that, thank y'all for watching. I'll catch you next time. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment if you want to have a conversation. Hit me up. I'm always around. Thank you guys. Bye.